In this video, I'm going to tell you all you need to know about a non-resident bank account opening in UAE. So the UAE growing economy is a favorable tax environment and a modern financial system which have made it a preferred destination for investors and businesses worldwide and individual who wants to invest or do business in Dubai. Non-residents of the UAE can now choose to open a bank account in the UAE for a variety of reasons. People who spend a considerable amount of time in Dubai or get paid in dirhams or on a regular basis. If you want to open a non-resident bank account in UAE, you have two options. Either you can use a local UAE bank or international bank in UAE. So let's talk about the benefits of having a non-residential account in UAE. So there are numerous challenges to consider when thinking of relocating to a new country, keeping logistic obstacles to mind. There are some reasons to have a bank account in UAE even without a visa, which is like ease of transaction, multi-currency account and mobile banking facilities, attractive interest rate and debit card and checkbooks. So a non-resident can only open saving account at most banks in Dubai. That is the limit established suggested that the only resident can open current account or use other banking services, while a non-resident can now obtain a checkbook depending on the bank minimum balance criteria. Non-resident account can receive debit card and that can be used to withdraw or deposit funds at ATM. Most of the banks have facilitated non-resident account holders to pick the currency for the money in their account, whether it to be dirham or other major currency. So what are the requirements of opening a bank account in UAE as a non-resident? So here are the following documents that are mandatory for you to open a non-resident bank account in UAE. So you should have a copy of your passport with your UAE entry page. You have to have a 6-month bank statement for proof of fund from your home country and an updated CV or your resume. So the minimum time limit for opening such account varies by bank and documents. However, in most circumstances, it might take 7 to 10 working days after the bank application and paperwork are completed to get the account opened and activated for financial transactions. So in order for you to open a non-resident bank account in UAE, you have to visit a bank branch. You can't do this process online. So you have to visit the bank account that you want to open your account in. So it could be any bank like Emirates, NBD or any other bank that you want to open your bank account in and that you trust their services and other things. So once your non-resident account is opened, you will be eligible for the online banking and debit card facilities. In case you're applying for the account with a UAE resident visa as a local resident, you will also be able to apply for a bank loan after some time. You will need to show the source of your income and regular income transfer to the bank account in order to become eligible for the loan. The bank account in UAE can solve many of your problems, like if you come from a country with restrictions or restriction on international transfer, if you cannot operate in foreign currency for your country, if your country does not have a local reliable banking system, or if you want to receive income and make long-term service with interest. So this is basically how you will be able to open a non-resident bank account in Dubai. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.